Today at Coyote Classics, we're going to be checking out this 1964 Ford Falcon Sprint, a factory red on red car, real neat convertible.
Yeah, it really is, Dalton. Very straight car. It's been buffed to a beautiful shine. And I really like, I'm not usually a huge fan of the hubcaps and steel wheels on classic cars, but this one looks really good with the white walls and good tread on those tires. Just a great stance on this one. It's powered by its 260 V8 engine. A previous owner stated that it had about 5,000 miles on the rebuild. Just a really nice car done, maybe 20 years ago? Top of the inner fenders are done beautifully, all original. No patches or nothing like that on that. Just a really good solid car. If you go to our website, coyoteclassics.com, you'll see the front and rear frame rails, everything on this undercarriage really looks good. Your factory VIN numbers here, right where it's supposed to be. Both tops of the inner fenders are in great shape. I like that they went ahead and put a fan shroud on here to keep these Ford engines sometimes run a little hot. So I'm keeping it nice and cool. It's got the stock manifolds. And again, just a really nice engine bay.
Good looking car too, red on red.
That's a great color combination. And the paint don't have a lot of imperfections. I mean, this is one, just a tiny one here. As we go up and down the body line here on the hood, and as we look at the back, how the back of the fender lines up with the cowl and the back of the hood lines up perfect there. Same thing over here on the passenger side, really nice gap. Front bumper looks great, grille is original, so the grille has a few little dings and some little scratches, but front bumper's been re-chromed and looks fantastic. We have a set of American racing wheels. I think I'm going to put on one of these Falcons. If you have been on our website, we have two Falcons right now, and they're both convertibles, and they're both real Sprints. We haven't had one of these for years, and then all of a sudden we have two in the same time. Bottom of the front fender is in great shape, and you can tell if these are factory Sprint cars or not by the code on the door tags. And we've decoded all this, and they are factory Sprints. Front gap is excellent on the door as we get down here to the back. Bottom of the door is nice. Quarter panel's in great shape. Over the wheel well looks great. Side trim is nice. Door handles are original. And when they did the paint job, they did a nice job here. Nice shiny paint in the inner door jamb. Since the paint job is a little older, there is some little scratches and a couple little paint chips on the bottom of the inside of the door jamb rocker area. Original paint right here on the door jamb there. Original steering wheel, automatic on the column, but does have the factory buckets with the console. Original AM radio, dash is all in really good shape as well. Seat covers are nice. Carpet's good. It does appear that it could be the original carpet. There is quite a bit of fade to it here. It's got the parade boot and it does have a power top. Back door panels show a little wear. Again, they're original. I'm going to say the whole interior is original in this car, Dalton. It really appears to be, doesn't it? Back seat's in great shape. As far as miles, it's got 105,104 on it. It's another cold day in Iowa, so we're going to have to put the top up on this one before we take it for a spin. Power top works great. Hey bud, while you're in that, do you just want to turn the key and fire that up a second? Sounds great. Back bumper chrome is beautiful as well. The gaps on this car are awesome. The trunk lid fits as good as you're going to get one to fit here on this driver's side. Nice gaps. Same thing on the passenger side. Top's in good shape all the way throughout. A few wrinkles where it sits down for quite a while. It's, you know, stored down, but plastic back windows all in good shape as well. Over top, the quarter panel paint and body is beautiful. No bubbles or blisters anywhere. The corner of the door here is perfect. Door fits perfect here on the driver's side. Nice and tight. As we look here, all the way down the front. Again, great gap, back of the hood from this angle, lines up beautifully all the way throughout. Top of the door panels, obviously here you have your Sprint logo. Door panels and armrests are in great shape. Power top levers right here. It does have a horn button on it. And then that does work, you just have to have the key on. They did a nice job on the door jamb. Strikers were all removed during that time when they painted it. Just a really great car. We'll roll up the windows here, guys, and take this one for a spin. All right, we're behind the wheel here in this 1964 red on red Ford Falcon Sprint convertible. And you know what? This little automatic car with a 260 really doesn't disappoint. I mean, it really goes down the road nice. When it first came in, me and my mechanic took it for a spin, and I was just impressed with it.
Yeah, that is impressive.
It is. For a 260, little 2-speed automatic transmission. It's a great car. Too bad the original radio didn't work, but the nice thing is it's still all intact and it's still there. You know, so many people take those out and put in an old aftermarket Kmart radio.
Yeah, looks like they left like the original gauges and stuff too. You can just tell by just a little bit of the yellowing on the plastic there.
Yep. Transmission shifts great on it. Just like I said, just a really nice running driving car.
That works.
Yeah, works good.
Yep.
It's got a power top. Power top works. Right now, the wipers are not working. We'll have to kind of check on that, but it kind of feels like a switch to me. The switch doesn't feel right on it. Yeah, the main thing on a day like cold day like today is that the heater works.
Absolutely. We ain't driving this one with the top down today.
No. We did earlier, but yeah, great car. But I classify this as a really nice cruise night car, driver quality car. We have two of them right now, and this is a good car.
Check it out on the website, coyoteclassics.com. Thank you all for watching.